Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither.
Guys, the wheels are about to be delivered. Get them, Alex. The UPS truck is right over there. It's gotta be them. And the wheels are here. The wheels are delivered. Hey, what's up, bro? So, the tires? You got the tires? Yeah, those are for me. Is there any way you can... We live right up there. Any way you can take them up there?
Sure, I can drive them up, but they're going to 4208 on 236th Street.
B106?
Yeah, it's B106 though.
Yeah, this is me. Luis, that's me.
Alright. Sure, I'll walk them up. But the address doesn't match the building though.
Uh-huh.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, but these are my tires. This is the main office.
Yeah.
It says B106.
Yeah.
Right there it says, where's it at? B106 at the bottom.
Yeah.
That's right up there.
But this isn't B106 though.
This is the main leasing office of the apartments. Yeah, it's right up there.
So what people usually do is they put in the building address. I can show you.
Oh, you do a building address? Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Just a heads up. So like C building, do you know where that's at? It's right after yours.
Yeah.
So that's 4305. Does that make sense?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Oh, it's cool, dude. We're not going to order anything else. We're on our way out.
Cool.
So,
So
yeah.
I'll wheel them up, okay?
Yeah, do you want me to, you were going to wheel them up or you want me to help you?
I'll drive them up.
Okay.
I'll bring you in here and then I'll drive them up.
Okay, sounds good, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake or loyal? Why no water, that designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real monster lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your closet every single evening. Thought you never see me again, looks can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come.
Guys, the wheels are on. They look sick. It's incredible, guys. It's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys.
In